The mind is everything. What you think, you become. A famous quote by Buddha that underscores the power of meditation. Such a profound statement, isn't it? But what does it really mean? And more importantly, how does it relate to meditation? Well, let's delve a bit deeper. Meditation, in its simplest form, is the practice of turning one's attention inward, focusing on the present moment, and quieting the mind. It's about discovering a place of stillness within ourselves, a place where we can escape the constant chatter of our thoughts. Now, why is this important? Consider the mind as an untamed horse. Left unchecked, it runs wild, leading us astray with its whims and fancies. But when trained, it can become a powerful ally, driving us towards our goals with unwavering focus. This is where meditation comes in. By teaching us to observe our thoughts without judgment, it helps us gain control over our minds. You see, our minds are constantly processing a barrage of information, generating a ceaseless stream of thoughts. This mental chatter can be overwhelming, often leading to stress and anxiety, but when we meditate, we learn to still this chatter. We learn to distance ourselves from our thoughts, observing them as an outsider. This detachment allows us to recognize that we are not our thoughts. We have the power to choose which thoughts to engage with and which to let go. Meditation, in essence, is the art of mastering the mind. It's about finding that space of stillness within ourselves, a space where we can connect with our true selves, free from the noise of our thoughts. When we meditate, we tune into our inner wisdom, gaining insights that can guide us in our lives. We learn to harness the power of our minds, steering our thoughts towards positivity and growth. This is the power of stillness. This is the power of meditation. It's about understanding that our thoughts shape our reality. As Buddha so eloquently put it, what we think, we become. So, by controlling our thoughts, we can transform ourselves. This is the essence of meditation. But how does meditation affect our health? What's the science behind it? This is where things get fascinating. Meditation, in its many forms, influences the brain in a few key ways. First, it promotes neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change and adapt. When we meditate, we're essentially training our brains just like a muscle. Over time, this consistent exercise can lead to significant changes in the brain's structure and function. For instance, regular meditators often show increased gray matter in areas associated with attention, emotion regulation, and mental flexibility. Meditation also helps decrease the production of cortisol, a stress hormone that, in excess, can lead to a host of health issues, from anxiety and depression to heart disease. By reducing this hormone, meditation helps us manage stress more effectively, leading to a calmer, more balanced state of mind. But the effects of meditation aren't just confined to the brain. The body also reaps the benefits. Regular practice can help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. It can also improve our immune system, making us more resilient to illnesses. And the intriguing part is, these are not just anecdotal claims, but findings backed by robust scientific research. Studies have shown that meditation can lead to lower levels of inflammatory markers, a sign of a healthier immune system. Research has also revealed that meditators often have lower heart rates and blood pressure than non-meditators, suggesting a lower risk of heart disease. Moreover, a study published in the journal PLOS One found that mindfulness meditation can even alter gene expression, reducing the activity of genes associated with inflammation and stress. This means that meditation can potentially influence our health right down to the cellular level. So is it all just about sitting still and focusing on your breath? Well, yes and no. While the act itself may seem simple, the effects are profound and far-reaching, affecting every aspect of our well-being. As we can see, meditation has a profound effect on our body and mind, backed by scientific evidence. Now imagine what could happen if you meditate every day. Embarking on a journey of daily meditation is like planting a seed. Over time, with consistent care, that seed will grow into a sturdy tree, providing shade and bearing fruits. Similarly, the benefits of daily meditation are profound and transformative, and they accumulate over time. Let's explore what these benefits are. One of the most well-documented advantages of daily meditation is reduced stress. Our fast-paced, always-on world often leaves us feeling overwhelmed and anxious. Regular meditation acts like a pause button that allows us to step back, clear our minds, and regain our composure. It's like a mini vacation for our overworked brains, helping us to manage stress more effectively and maintain a sense of calm amidst the chaos. Better emotional health is another significant benefit of daily meditation. Our minds, like any other part of our bodies, need regular exercise to stay fit. Meditation is a workout for the mind. It helps us to cultivate a positive mindset, enhance our mood, and improve our overall emotional well-being. Over time, this can lead to a more joyful, content, and fulfilling life. Enhanced self-awareness is a third benefit we reap from daily meditation. By quieting the mind and focusing inward, we become more attuned to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations. This heightened self-awareness can help us to understand ourselves better, make more thoughtful decisions, and lead more authentic lives. Now consider the story of John, a high-powered executive who was always stressed and on edge. His health was deteriorating and his relationships were suffering. Then he discovered meditation and started practicing daily. Over time, he became calmer, happier, and more present in his life. His health improved, his relationships flourished, and he found a new sense of peace and fulfillment. This is just one of countless stories of transformation brought about by the simple yet powerful practice of daily meditation. Daily meditation can truly transform your life and health in numerous ways. Embrace this practice and you might just find yourself on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth that surpasses your wildest dreams. You might be wondering, how do I start my own meditation practice? Well, the good news is, you're already halfway there with that curiosity. Let's break it down into simple, manageable steps that anyone can follow. First, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. It doesn't have to be a Zen garden, it could be a corner of your room or even a park bench, as long as it's a place where you feel at ease. This is your sanctuary, your little corner of peace in this bustling world. Now you might be tempted to dive in and meditate for an hour right off the bat, but it's better to start small. Try 5 minutes at first, and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Remember, this isn't a race, it's a journey of self-discovery. Next, focus on your breath. Feel the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. Notice the rhythm, the sensation. Your breath is a powerful anchor, keeping you rooted in the present moment. Don't worry if your mind starts to wander, that's perfectly normal. When you notice it happening, gently bring your attention back to your breath without judgment. Think of your thoughts as clouds passing by in the sky. You can observe them, but you don't have to chase them. Patience and consistency are key here. Some days meditation might feel like a chore, other days it might feel like a lifeline. But the important thing is to keep showing up, keep sitting down, and keep breathing. Over time, you'll start to notice subtle shifts in your mood, your stress levels, and your overall well-being. And finally, be kind to yourself. There's no such thing as a bad meditation session. Every moment you spend in meditation is a moment spent nurturing your mind and your spirit. So go easy on yourself. Celebrate your efforts and remember, progress, not perfection. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And you, my friend, have already taken that first step towards a healthier, calmer, and more mindful life. So keep going, keep breathing, and let the magic of meditation unfold. But what's the key to a successful meditation practice? Persistence. Yes, my friends, the cornerstone of a truly impactful meditation journey is the power of persistence. It's the driving force that propels us to continue meditating, even when the going gets tough, and believe me, it can get tough. Meditation, like any worthwhile endeavor, can be challenging at first. We're so used to the constant chatter of our minds that sitting in silence and observing our thoughts can seem almost impossible. It's like trying to tame a wild horse. But remember, even the wildest of horses can be tamed with patience and persistence. The beauty of meditation lies not in achieving a state of eternal bliss in a single sitting, but in the gradual transformation that happens over time. Just as a river slowly carves a canyon, consistent meditation gradually molds our mind, fostering a sense of inner peace and tranquility. The benefits of meditation, such as reduced stress, improved focus, and enhanced well-being, accumulate over time like drops of water filling a bucket. Each meditation session is a drop in that bucket. And here's the thing about persistence, it fosters resilience. When we persist in our meditation practice, we're not just training our minds to be quiet. We're also training ourselves to be resilient in the face of life's challenges. We're learning to ride the waves of life with grace and ease, instead of being tossed around by them. So if you're starting your meditation journey and finding it difficult, don't be disheartened. It's all part of the process. It's like learning to ride a bike. At first it's wobbly and uncertain, but with time and persistence, we eventually find our balance. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And every step you take in your meditation practice, no matter how small, is a step towards a more peaceful, centered, and balanced life. Persistence is the key. Keep meditating and the benefits will unfold in their own time.